of the added things that we have to deal with as real estate developers is that sometimes things come up that you don't anticipate. So for example, I bought a piece of land a long time ago in a place called Cypress, Texas, where I eventually ultimately developed an office warehouse. However, after my permits were approved, everything was, done. I was getting ready to break ground, and all of a sudden, there were these like really old trees that I had to deal with, and there was a whole arsenal of tree huggers that came and chained themselves up to these trees so that I wouldn't cut them down. Now, ultimately, it was my land. I had the right to cut them down, but it took a lot of work, a lot of energy for me to move those people just so that I could take down the trees so I could develop my office warehouses. Now, because we do take down trees, because I know the tree haters, the tree huggers are going to come and put some hate here. When you do take down trees, you are required to put additional trees as part of your landscaping, as part of your plans in a development. So we did replace all those trees, and in fact, we did move certain trees that we thought were, didn't need to be cut down. And so that's kind of how things work, guys. When you take something, you have to replace it, and that's what a landscape architect actually does in your desired project.